What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to view someone's Snapchat story without them knowing. So once you have the Snapchat open and you have the story you want to view, you're just going to go to the control center by sliding down in the upper right hand corner and then go on to airplane mode. Now you'll be off the internet and you could view the story that you want to see. And once the story is viewed, you can now go into the upper right hand corner and slide down again and turn airplane mode off. And now that this is complete, they will not see that you have viewed their story, and you could go back on Snapchat and not have their story viewed again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.